Today, we explore the so-called Fuchsaluka, the Foxhole, a very special place of power in the Austrian Mühlviertel. Such mystic locations are places that change our cell vibrations. Our body cells vibrate higher there, and we can gain energy and confidence. There are also disturbance zones in the earth that we humans should avoid. Ants love these interference fields and build their ant hills on them. The entrance to the Fuchsaluka is somewhat hidden between the huge stones. One can enter the narrow stone gap. If you consciously walk through it, you can shed negative conditions, stressful feelings, illnesses, mental disorders. The path is like a deep cleansing process. When coming out back into the sunlight, you feel liberated and light. The strong energy here in the open is charging you, and it can be measured clearly. Places of power accompany us on the journey to ourselves. Nature offers us its best for our good.